All right, yeah, I'm not gonna lie. This trade recap is gonna be a heartbreak to make. I'm pissed off right now. I'm frustrated as hell. This is the third win in a row that I have not been paid for. First one was my fault. I'm gonna own up. I'm not gonna lie. That was me. I risked less than I should have on the trade, and so when it hit my full uh, TP, I wasn't really happy with the number, and so I just moved my stop to like a little bit of in profit and just let it rock out. I thought it could go higher, and it didn't. It stopped me out. It is what it is. Break even trade. Cool. That's my fault. I'll accept that. The second one, I was locked out because of Top Step's stupid lockout feature, bro. I planned the trade. I saw it executed. I tried to execute and I couldn't get in. They're like, hey, nah, you hit your weekly trade limit, which I had forgot I set. It was an experiment. I was testing, and then once I realized I set it, I couldn't I couldn't change it until after the week. So I was just pissed off, and I didn't realize it. That was a Friday. I took that trade, and then I forgot about the lockout. Tried to take it. They're like, nah. So that pissed me off, and then and actually that would have covered all my losses from the week too. I would have been in the green. So I ended the week red because of that. Then we go into this week. Today's Monday. Actually, then yesterday, bro, took a winning trade. It rallied up in profit. Barely took my break even level, like to the tick. You can see the video I just posted yesterday. It took my break even level to the tick, and then rallied towards take profit. So that's really the third win that I wasn't paid for. If you want to consider that one too. And then we have today on Tuesday. This trade, which you can see here, is as beautiful as it gets. Perfectly planned out, perfectly executed, and yeah, I didn't get paid for it, bro, because I thought I had took the lockout feature on Top Step off. It turns out I only took out the weekly. I didn't take out the daily, so I had a daily lockout today. Apparently, I only had one clip in the chamber or one bullet in the chamber. One in the clip. That was it. One trade. Apparently, that was my limit. So I took a small loss today on NQ. It wasn't anything crazy. It was low key a winning trade. It was the same trade. Let me go over it real quick before my mic dies. It was right here. Entered off this inverse. Um, the only reason I exited early, it was stop loss was originally here. I exited like right here. Took a $300 loss because I realized I was trading on the lagging index. I'm more bullish on the day. ES is bullish. NQ is the one lagging. So since ES is leading, I want to take the trade on there. So I closed NQ real quick, and I'm like, let me go jump in on ES. And then boom, I get this flawless entry, right? I'm like, there we go. That's what I wanted to see. I try to take the trade, and they're like, nah, you hit your daily. You hit your daily lockout, your daily limit. So again, I gotta watch it go without me. Like this is starting to get ridiculous, bro. There's 4 trades in a row, and I've had to just watch go without me. It gets to a point, bro. It's like, bro, I'm doing the right things, and it's like, it's stupid shit like this that's holding me back. It's not even my skill set. It's not even my psychology. It's not even my analysis. It's nothing. It's literally this little bullshit admin stuff that's just pissing me off. But you know what's crazy? To actually break down why I took or tried to take the trade. I was already bullish on the day. I wanted to see all these targets up here get taken. And forgive me, my computer's as slow as it gets. But yeah, so look what happened, right? Look what happened. This is exactly what I thought would happen, and I have proof. All right. Price came down into this fair value gap, this 1 hour gap, took out London and Asia lows, put in an SMT, and then it rallied towards all these stacked highs up here. And that's objectively, you can clearly see that's exactly what happened, right? You want to know what's wild? If I go to my journal, pre-market analysis, this was like right at market open. I thought price was going to take all those stacked highs before I even got a chance to trade. That actually didn't happen. Price came down and manipulated, right? Price is currently just placing lower and looking like it's going to take London and Asia lows inside of the 1 hour fair value gap. This is good. This is what I ideally would have wanted to see before going higher. I will be looking to find an entry within this 1 hour fair value gap. Confidence in the bias is moderate, but will become strong if I see a rejection from the 1 hour fair value gap after taking session lows. I'm sorry. So this is exactly what I planned out, bro. To the T. This is exactly what my analysis was looking for. And that is exactly what happened. And what happens when I see the entry signal, what happens when I get the entry signal? I try to take it just like I planned, and I can't take it. I gotta just watch it go without me. And of course, it beats it's bro. Losing trades, I'm always there for. I never could lose. I never miss a losing trade. But somehow, the winning trades, there's always something. It's always the winning trades. It's like this could have easily been one of those days where, it just happened to be a loss. Follow my plan. You just can't win them all. Maybe this, was one of the losses. Nope. They saw I wasn't a part of it. They're like, oh yeah, rally towards all these targets. Take them all. Adrian's not in the trade. Boom. Yeah, go leave him. But had I gotten in, they probably would have tanked this joint to I don't know, a 200-point bearish move. So, yeah, that's just been my luck so far. I swear to you, like the past 2 weeks, I've been trading good. I just cannot get paid for these wins. It's always some stupid shit. But all the losses, I'm there for. So, yeah, it's crazy how that worked. But that's the trade recap. Tragic as hell. But I almost jumped out the window earlier, bro. I was genuinely so upset. But, we're not going to crash out. We couldn't crash out. We were locked out anyway. But we're just going to call it there and just get my mind off of this, bro. And come back tomorrow with a fresh mind. And, yeah, we'll bounce back. But that's all I got today. I'm going to throw this in the journal and go drink my sorrows away. So, I'm out. Peace.